Sophie had always been an avid reader and loved losing herself in the worlds of her favorite books. But when she discovered social media, everything changed. Sophie found herself spending hours on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, scrolling through her feeds and getting lost in a sea of posts and updates. Before she knew it, hours had passed, and she had not picked up a book or done anything productive. Sophie's grades started to suffer, and she found herself becoming more anxious and stressed as she struggled to keep up with her coursework. She knew that she needed to make a change, but she couldn't resist the temptation of social media. One day, Sophie stumbled upon a post from a successful author who talked about the importance of reading and how it had shaped her life. This post inspired Sophie, and she realized that she could also achieve her dreams of being a successful writer while also prioritizing her education. Sophie decided to make a change and set aside specific times for social media and her studies. She worked hard to manage her time effectively, dedicating more hours to reading and writing and setting specific times for social media. With this new approach, Sophie found that she was able to achieve better grades and make progress towards her dream of becoming a writer. She still enjoyed social media, but now she saw it as a reward for completing her work, rather than a distraction from it. Sophie's story is a reminder that while social media can be fun and entertaining, it's important to prioritize your education and manage your time effectively to achieve your goals.
तो दोस्तों, आप लोग भी सीखना चाहते हैं कि आप लोग इस तरह की वीडियो चैट जीपीटी के माध्यम से कैसे बना सकते हैं, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 100 कमेंट्स का टारगेट रखा है। अगर हमें 100 कमेंट्स रिसीव होते हैं सेम टॉपिक के ऊपर, तो हम आपको इसका पूरा ट्यूटोरियल बना के देंगे कि आप लोग भी इस तरह से कैसे वीडियोस बना सकते हैं चैट जीपीटी एआई के माध्यम से। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। धन्यवाद।